Hello friends. Welcome to Technic GG. Please subscribe to get the instant notification. Today we are going to talk about what is CDN. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. To understand this concept we should know Vikram's story. Vikram loves biryani, and he make biryani well and tasty. So he decided to open a biryani shop. As he expected, this biryani shop sale is excellent and quick. So he make more money on that shop. And also he decided to deliver the food at doorstep. In that city many people prefer doorstep delivery. So he got many delivery orders and it makes more difficult. To manage this difficult situation he got another idea. Now he opened a store in all the streets available in that city. By making the store in all the street, now he can deliver food easily. Makes sense, this will increase him order and now he make more money. He also very happy. Same way in the IT industries we need to transfer the files like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images and video files, to run website on the browser. So that they will create the edge location to store that file to deliver that static files. Like Vikram's food deliver problem. From that edge location that files serve to our computer. So that download speed will increase, website speed is also increased. This is what Content Delivery Network. A content delivery network, or content distribution network, is a geographically distributed network of proxy servers and their data centers. The goal is to provide high availability and performance by distributing the service spatially relative to end users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. And give a thumbs up if you like this video.